Man, it done finally happened, y'all. Look, y'all can see it in my face. Look, my spidey senses tingling. Something ain't right in my head, you feel me? So look, I'm just cruising, mind my own business. Exhaust valves closed, quiet, and then here comes Dayton Finance, you feel me? They like, man, is that a nigga minding his own business? Can't be. Not in my hood. You feel me? So look, here they come, flipping a U-turn. Hey, look, y'all see I'm cruising, man. Speed limit 35. You know, it's a neighborhood, though, so I'm going 27. Nothing too crazy. 25. Feel me? Coming up on a stop sign. Make sure I do a complete stop. And boom, he right there. Or should I say she. And we just still cruising along. And y'all know y'all hear this, bro. The roads is horrible and destroyed the suspension, bro. Sound like I'm riding on bricks, bro. There he is, just behind me, plotting, scheming. Like, man, what can we get him for? What can we get him for? Well, you see, I'm annoyed, bro. I already see it coming, bro. You know it's gonna happen. And here we go, man. We just gonna let it play out.
You got it on dash cam too.
Hello. Officer Ambrose, Dayton Police Department. The reason I'm pulling you over is because of your window tint and your license plate. You got that tint on it. I can't even read your plate. You got your ID on you, man?
I don't have my license on me, but I can give you everything. I'll leave it behind my wallet.
It's gonna be step out for now.
Whole time that shit was in my pocket.
I have my firearm on me too. It's right here.
Okay. Just don't touch it at all, alright?
It's in my pocket.
You're good.
Here, can I put my e-brake on since we're on the hill?
Yeah, definitely.
I had to ask so she ain't shoot me, you know.
Step out. What's your name, sir? Mind if I grab that out of your pocket? Thank you for letting me know.
And right here, it was funny to me because I was trying to tell him, like, yeah, y'all better grab that holster out the pocket too, so y'all can't try to give me no improper.
Yeah, we got license. I don't have your license. You know, like here's like lost my phone number or something, so.
And around this time, they was trying to ask me like, "Oh, you mind if we go in there and grab your keys and turn your car off?" I'm like, "Nah, leave it running. Y'all ain't slick. Y'all was trying to find any way to stick y'all head up in there, man." So then he gonna come up here and close my door up here in a second. But then it was even funny because then he keeps trying to look in the car, but then keeps getting sidetracked by his partner.
Yo.
And then right here, she calls him back because she was looking on the computer and seeing some of my previous arrests. But you feel me? Good lawyer, got him dismissed. So, you know, she thought she had him one, so she was trying to figure out ways she could figure out if she could arrest me or not. And I'm just letting this play out in real time so y'all can see like how long it took, and y'all can skip forward if y'all want, but this is literally just how long it took for nothing.
I'll check my cruiser real quick.
So you mean to tell me you make a traffic stop for window tint and you ain't even got a tint meter? Come on, bro. And by this point, there was no tint meter, and they ain't say nothing else about no tint or nothing, you know. So yeah, go ahead, put that gun back. 'Cause we legal now, yeah. You know he hated that. I don't know why he opened my door though if he said it on the roof. But yeah, after this point, there was no mention of no plate cover, no warning, no tint warning, no nothing. Now your boy free to go. They like, nah, wait, don't grab it yet till we leave. You might start shooting at us, even though, even though I'm still cool, been cool. They like, nah. But I mean, at the end of the day, you see, I'm respectful. They was respectful, but it still doesn't make their stop right. That's the question, though, man. But yeah, y'all think I be playing in the comments when I say that dating don't do nothing when there is something going on. But don't have no plate cover or no window tint, bro. It's over with.
Yeah. That's what happens when you legal, boys. It had me a little nervous though, I ain't gonna lie. But we out. But man, how that work? They pulled me over. They said my window tint was too dark. So that's apparently why they flipped around on me. Because they couldn't clearly see my license plate cover like they said after the fact. But so they pulled me over for my window tint and didn't even test it. How you gonna pull somebody over for window tint and you don't even got a window tint tester? See, look, when you got so many layers on, bruh, I had my wallet on me the whole time. They didn't even find it. They could have found my wallet, bruh. Damn. Made me do all that because I thought I didn't have it.